Hello, good morning. Good morning everybody. Ito guys, thank you. Narang biyaya guys. Ari guys. Ang biyaya naman guys. Oh. Marami guys. Ito pa guys. Ayan guys. Ayan siya nagbira sa pukot. Ayan. Nakita namin yung isda guys. Ayan ang isda namin guys. Ayan guys. Thank you sa blessing Lord. Ayan guys. Dami guys. Tingnan mo guys. It's a blessing today guys. Ayan na naman guys. May kuha na naman siya guys. Ayan ang dami. Tingnan mo naman mga guys. Thank you Lord sa blessing. Isa.